Number Bonds by Daisy Cerna and Hayley Smith. Education 492, Winter 2021. Number bonds are the simple addition of two numbers that add up to give the sum of a whole number. By using number bonds, one can practice how to tell the answer without the need of an actual calculation. This math model is a great example for grade school students from kinder to 5th grade to learn how numbers join together and how they break down into component parts. The standard for this presentation is focused on a first grade level, which is to determine the unknown whole numbers in an addition or subtraction equation relating three whole numbers. Our objective today is to identify and determine the unknown number that can make the equation true.
Looking at the concrete, semi-concrete, and abstract sequencing for number bonds, for concrete, teachers can instruct students to count up a specified amount of manipulatives, such as foam stickers, cubes, or familiar visual pictures. We have an example of clip art stars or animals, but teachers can use anything with the students. Students will group together the manipulatives into two small groups so they can physically touch and manipulate the math equation. For semi-concrete, teachers instruct students to create their own representation of the equation. So students can pick anything they want. They may choose to use tally marks, shapes, or even use their fingers to group the small parts to create the whole part. This will help students visually see the math problem or equation. And lastly, for abstract, teachers instruct students to use a number bond chart or complete a worksheet to solve the problem by using a mathematical notation. This may include actual numbers or pictures. And with the abstract, students tend to be doing this completely on their own. Here are some examples of the concrete, semi-concrete, and abstract. So as you can see with the concrete, we used the manipulatives of pictures of donuts. So the top, it is 10 donuts, and you split it down below with 4 and 6, and students can manipulate that and physically see the number in front of them. For semi-concrete, there's two different ones. We have tally marks, or students can use their hands, so they can split for the tally marks, it's 8, so they can see 4 tally marks and 4 tally marks together make 8. And with their fingers, 5 on one hand and 2 on the other makes 7. And finally, for abstract, this is what students would see on an actual worksheet, where they have the two smaller numbers forming together, and the students would add those numbers together in order to get the number in the middle. We linked 2 videos that teachers can use to show students in a fun way how to use number bonds and how to make a whole. This is a short video. It's about 20 seconds, and I'll show you right now.
A part and a part make a whole. A part and a part make a whole. When I add a part to another part, my two parts make a whole. A part and a part make a whole. A part and a part make a whole. When I add a part to another part, my two parts make a whole.
So that was just one example of a video that teachers can find on YouTube that help teach students the math model of number bonds.
In the following slides, we will practice how to use number bonds by using an abstract format and using a virtual worksheet. Please claim your worksheet below and follow the written directions. Worksheet option. Select the word name and enter your name. Complete the number bond by dragging the correct answer to each bubble. Finish the number sentence by clicking on the line below each bubble and adding your answer. Worksheet option. Select the word name and enter your name. Add the small numbers together and drag the correct answer to each bubble. Click on the lines below to complete the number sentence.
In this next worksheet option, you will write your name, and then on each domino there is 5. So you will circle the 5 on the domino, and then you will click on each box to add your answer to fill in the number bond. And on this last worksheet option, once again, you will write your name, and then you will click on the numbers on the right-hand side and drag them to the correct answer on the puzzle piece. So like Daisy stated before, go ahead and claim a worksheet on any of the following slides. There you have those 4 options for worksheets, and then go ahead and fill it out. Thank you.